Hi, it's Angry Admin from AngrySysOps.com and welcome to lab 10 of our VCP labs. Today we are going to talk about NFS data store. NFS stands for Network File System Data Store. It is a type of data storage used in virtualization environment, particularly in VMware vSphere. NFS allows multiple hosts to access and share the same storage over a network, creating a centralized store location for virtual machines. In the context of VMware vSphere, an NFS data store is typically a remote file share hosted on a storage system or a network-attached storage, like a NAS device. VM can be stored on the NFS data store, and multiple ESXi hosts can access and use the same VM simultaneously, making it flexible and scalable storage solution for virtualized environments. NFS data stores are often used for their simplicity, ease of management, and cost effectiveness. Okay, let's jump to the lab. In today's lab, we would have two tasks. One is configure access to NFS data store and view NFS storage information. Let's start. Create NFS data store. We're going to the storage icon and then right click on our data center, go to the storage and click new data store. The wizard will open. From previous video you learned how to create VMFS. Now we are creating NFS. Okay, so we check that option, click next, and we can name our data store as NFS data store, or you can put anything meaningful there. And normally you will see all the options on the one screen, but this screen is small, so I need to scroll down to see rest of the options. So let's scroll down. Okay, and now we need to define the folder and we need to put a IP of the NFS server. With the folder name, just remember the folder name is case sensitive. So if it's capital letters, has to be capital letters. Once we provide IP for the server, we have an option to bind to VMK NIC. Now, here's the thing. NFS is a stateless protocol, so there is no need to bind it to specific NIC. In fact, binding a NFS data store to specific NIC can actually decrease performance. However, VMware itself will say to you that yes, you need to bind it, because if it's not bind and the NIC will fail, then you don't know through which NIC the traffic will go for NFS. However, I will not bind and I will leave as it is. If we are happy with our settings, we click on next. Now we can see our hosts, so let's check both of them. Click next, and we can see everything is okay, and click finish. Now let me zoom out a bit. And we can see NFS data store is ready. We see that the host number is 2, so that's our hosts. Let's click on the summary page. Again, we see the capacity, we see the server IP, and we see the folder and the location. If we go to configure and general, we can see the type, we can see the capacity, and we done the task. Okay guys, that would be everything for this lab. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on notification bell not to miss another lab video. And if you do have questions or comments, chat to me over the X, former Twitter. My handle is @AngrySysOps, @AngrySysOps, and see you in the next video. Bye.